and then you do that same thing on the other side. Right? So now we're going to work on the shell of the snail, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold, well, let's see, I'm going to draw this in. I think that's a better idea. We're going to do the same fold over and over. So we're going to start at this point. See that? And then we're going to do a fold where here, this is a right angle. Yeah? So how do we do that? Basically, you push this down and you get a right angle by just aligning the two parts here, right? And you do that on both sides, and now what you do is you connect these two with a fold. Right? So, I'm going to get all the green fingers from this. That's folded up. And then we can close it again. Right, and that's the first fold of the snail. Let's see, snail shell, I guess. So, the second one is, again, you just open this up a bit, and then fold this here, so they're aligned. Here again, fold this, so it's aligned, and then you connect these two parts. And then you close it up again. There you've got your next one. And you just do that over and over again. It's number 3, level number 3. And you go on for quite a while until you've basically gone around a bit. Right, so if you've done this, you might have gone like this far, and then you just fold this bit in once more, so it kind of is turned up like that. Huh? It looks pretty nice already. Right, now we're going to work on the snail, and not the shell anymore, so we're going to open this up a bit. That's the back, stick in front, and these are going to be the I don't know, antlers or what you call them. We're going to fold this down, like so, and the other one too. Right, you just take it, fold it, and then you fold it up again. Like that. Just fold it up. Like that. Yeah, see these two bits? And then this one, you just turn it and stuff it in there. See that? Stuff that in there. Kind of locks it a bit. Yeah, okay. Turn this up a bit. Curl it a bit. Yeah? Okay. So then this is really thick paper, but basically want to fold this in a bit. And on this side too. Kind of gives it a nicer, rounder 3D shape. Right? Here in the back, we kind of want to lock the back. So what we're going to do is this bit we're going to open. We're going to push the other bit inside, open that up, and squeeze that in there. Squeeze that in there, like so. Alright, and now we're just doing some finishing touches. We want some mountain folds along the shell. Alright, so you just do a couple of mountain folds along the shell to give it a more like 3D shape. And you do that on both sides, obviously. So you do it on this side too. Right, and now what we're going to do is we fold it like a third to a quarter inside. Going to open that up a bit. See that? Just this. Open it up a bit. And then what you do is you just press it together a bit. One on top of the other. And maybe squeeze it a bit. Like so. And there you've got it. You've got your snail.